Dunk the basket. Ball the basket. Come on, Siri. Look how fun that looks. Go put the ball in the basket. Well, that doesn't seem to be working. Definitely getting toys and letting your budgies play with toys can be one of the best parts of budgie ownership, at least one of the most fun parts. But sometimes it's not quite as simple as just putting a toy in there and telling your bird to play with it. A lot of times birds' curiosity will take over and they'll check out toys at least over a period of time, but sometimes there are actually some things you can do to help the process along and get them interested in their toys a lot faster. So we're going to go through those in this video, and here's the first tip. Sometimes you can even play with the toys a little bit yourself and your budgie will actually become a little more interested in them. Watch this. So another trick I have for you is if you know of a favorite food that your budgie has, a lot of them like millet and certain fruits and vegetables, you can actually use that to entice your bird to interact with a toy. In this example, I'm going to use some kale to get Siri, my yellow bird, to interact with one of her mirrors. Bit of advice that I have for you is just basically to get to know your budgie and its specific likes and dislikes. Budgies, like people, are individuals, so they're going to have different personalities and be drawn to certain toys instead of others. So once you start learning what types of toys that your bird likes, you can continue to get those types of toys or similar ones.